Great.
I'm sure you're doing it.
I'm sure Dallas is all set. He's probably already done it and all prepared.
Submitted
Right,
it
Dallas?
already.
I haven't done any of it yet.
You haven't done any of it yet? Oh, man.
It's gonna be good.
Okay.
I like that you're snacking this time, Dallas, so that way you're not
I'm so hungry.
Sorry.
like famished by the end.
All right.
Okay.
We get started? So, has anyone done number 3?
I mean, the one. The 1 point. I would say 1.358.
You got what?
I'm on. Wait, so
Oh, you're doing it now.
have you done one yet?
Oh, okay.
I just got 1.75 on one.
That's what I
Yeah, that's
got.
what I got.
Oh, 3. I mean 3. It's 1, 3.
Yeah, 3. Yeah.
You said 3.
You said
Oh.
0.175?
Yeah, it says to round it, right, this time?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is everyone good with that one then?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry, that's my little girl that's running around.
That's fine.
I love visitors.
Yeah.
Okay, so on this next one, I tried it and I got a super weird answer, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I did it right.
Sorry, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab headphones real quick. Hold on.
Fine. So is this?
Hello.
Hi.
This one's my brother.
Your brother?
Uh-huh.
What's your name? Got shy.
I'm not a boy.
Kate McKinley, you need to go to Dad.
No.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, go see Dad.
Hello.
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 Oh, okay. Can you guys still hear her?
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's not big.
Okay, go see Dad. All right. So I didn't do number 4 either. I wasn't sure how to do that one.
So I got negative 1.299, but
Okay,
I'm not
how
sure if I
did
did
you-
it correctly.
How'd you go about getting that? Like, what's?
So I basically just followed the video. So it's just like the standard deviation, or the normal z-score, but on the bottom with the standard deviation, you do like the square root of 48 under it.
Okay, so
I'm pretty sure.
what are the numbers? I had 177.6 minus, or 185 minus 177.6 over 26.7 over square root of 48.
Yeah. That's what
Ah,
I
my
did.
calculations must have been off then. I don't have my calculator. My husband stole it, so.
Okay, so say the numbers that you do again. You do.
So I did 177.6 subtracted by the 185
Okay, the mean.
divided by 26.7, which is the standard
The
dev,
standard deviation,
divided
okay.
by the random sample of
Got
square
it.
root of 48.
Got it. Okay.
And what did you get for that?
I got negative 1.299,
Okay.
if I did it right.
You take 177.6, subtract the 185,
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
and then you divide that by 26.7, so standard deviation, divided by the random sample of square root of 48. Is that right?
Yeah, the square root of 48, yeah.
What is the square root of 48? Where's my
It's like
6.92.
6.98, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's not. I didn't do that one, so.
I don't know if I'm doing it right, too,
I'm
guys. That's just what I
almost-
did.
I'm almost done calculating it, but that does sound right.
That formula is a formula I got. I just got weird calculations out of it. So
So what did you get, Garrett?
Negative 1.299.
Oh, maybe I need to do it again. I got negative 1.919. Let me do it one more
Okay,
time.
let me try this again. 8 square root 6.92820.323.
Divided Oh wow, now I got something different.
7 divided by 6. Three. Okay. 7.4.
0.040.
I got something different again. I got 1.92 this time. Okay, let's do. Okay, I'm gonna do the easy one first. I'm gonna do the 177.6. Subtract the 185.
that should be negative 7.4, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so negative 7.4. And then that's divided by the 26.7.
Uh-huh. And then I usually do
By
equals.
30.
And then divided by, yeah.
Got negative 1.907.
Negative
What'd
what?
you get?
1.907.
1.97?
0.907. What'd you all get?
I've done it 3 times now, and I keep getting negative 0.040.
So. And you're getting the square root of 40 to be 6.92820.323, something like that.
Yeah, I mean, I just put in my... I don't do the square root of 48 first. I put divided by the square root of 48.
Yeah, so you're dividing the 26.7 by that, right?
Yeah, yep.
Okay. 6.9. So you get something like 3.85 when you do that?
No,
what
I
I
get negative 0.040.
Okay. That's weird. Let me do this again then. 26.7 divided by 6.92820.323. Yeah, I
Okay.
get 3.8538.
Okay.
I hit that too.
Oh, do you
Okay.
really?
So the answer I end up getting for the whole thing is 1.922. Is that anyone getting that answer?
I got
Let me see.
1.907.
So are you taking negative 7.4 over 3.85?
I put 3.88, but young.
So wait, I'm getting negative 1.92. Didn't someone else get that?
I got that.
So
You
is there
got
something
that?
else that you're supposed to do after we do this?
That's just the z-score, right? So we have to
Yeah.
find the probability that the
That's all we're
random...
looking for right now.
Well, no, I think we
We don't
need
need.
the probability that the random sample of
Yeah.
passengers will have a weight that is extreme or more extreme. So we have to plug it into the applet and then shade
Oh, you're right.
accordingly.
So which part did you shade?
So let's see. So it's more extreme. So it's probably to the right of it.
Find the probability that we're going to stop how faster so the extreme or more extreme.
Well, so do we plug in the 1.9 something into the applet, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and you're getting a negative, right?
Yes.
A negative.
So you
Okay.
probably would shade the middle and the right, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Because it's as extreme or more extreme.
You're right. You're right. Because it's a negative z-score we're getting, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
does everyone else agree with that?
So for the
I just
so
don't
you're
get how
getting for
my
your
z-score
area
isn't.
0.97.
Yes.
Write
I
it out, and then I'll show it to you and see if you're doing the same thing.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because every time I get this negative 0.040 for the z-score.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Can you see that right there? Am I coming up at
Yeah.
all?
Yeah.
Is that so? You're
So-
doing that, right? So you
That's a
you
48 on the bottom.
divide this first. Yeah. So you do square root of 40. Then you would divide this by the answer, and then divide this by that again.
Okay.
If that makes
So wait,
sense.
that's an 8 on the bottom of 48?
yes.
Oh, 48. Sorry.
Okay. See, that's so weird. Alright. I just don't get why I'm not getting that. So what did you guys get for the answer then?
Do you have
0.9726.
Say that again.
0.9726.
726. Okay. But does it need to be 0.973?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you would round it.
Okay. Okay. Should we move on then, or we?
Dallas, do you have any comments on that one?
No, I went through it with you guys the same way, and where do we, did you just highlight everything greater
Yeah.
than the negative 1.92?
Mhm.
It's asking what's greater, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay, and
These kind of problems right here. Wow.
So for number 5, are we moving on? Is that right?
Yeah.
I got that it cannot be determined, but I could be wrong.
I didn't do that one. Does anyone read up on that? I didn't find that anywhere.
I couldn't find it either, and I couldn't also find the other one. I couldn't find
Number 6.
Who gets
Yeah.
to submit first today?
What's that?
I said, who gets to submit first today?
I will. It's my turn. I volunteer as tribute.
All right. We can skip those two and come back to them.
Okay.
Okay, hopefully we got this one. So I got for number 7, 1.045.
Same, yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
And
And
then
then 8.055.
I didn't get that.
I got 0.148, but I'm
Me
not.
too. That's what I got.
That's what I got was 0.148.
Okay. Let's
8.048.
see.
Look here. What did you get?
Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't do the area. I didn't do the above. I don't think I put it into the applet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, could you just take? Okay. Did you plug it in and see?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. Let's see, it's 160.
Yeah, so you just plug in.
Oh, now my applet's not working. Awesome.
You guys have like everything to the right, right?
I think.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
It's just 0.1480, so 1 point.
Yeah, I got that now.
Okay.
I just didn't plug it into the applet.
Mm. Okay.
Tricky sometimes.
So I got the exact same thing for 9 and 10 as well. Did I do the? I don't know if I did the mean right, or don't you just add them all up and then divide that by 5?
Yeah, and then you would just do the same formula.
So the mean is 160, so it would be the exact same thing, right?
Well, for 9, you just need the z-score. So is that different than in 8? Do we have to calculate the z-score?
No,
Yeah.
in 7 we had to calculate the z-score.
You have to do it in 9 too, because it's
Yeah, which is the exact same thing as 7, right?
No, because this is the z-score corresponding with this sample mean,
Well,
right?
So, yeah, but those adding all of those up and then divide them by 5, the mean is
That's true.
160. So it's the same as, yeah, I mean, that's just what I got. It was 1.045 again and then 0.148.
so the random sample. Well, it's
For some reason, that sounds too easy to me.
I know.
I see what you're saying. I see why.
Unless I'm not catching
What do you-
something.
it's not
Would
the same.
you then, you would, since it's a random sample of 5 students now, wouldn't you put under your standard deviation divided by the square root of 5?
Yeah.
So it's that first formula we did for problem 3,
Oh,
just
so
with the 5 under it now.
so I just skipped. Wait, but what are we?
Because in 7, it's just the z-score of 160, but now they're taking a random sampling of 5 students.
Well,
Yeah, I think you do have to take the square root.
but what would you take it from? Because
Yeah.
it's just asking for the mean, and then you take that mean and then I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. So what would you subtract what from?
So you would take 160. Well, I'm getting a lot of echo.
Yeah, me too.
Let's mess things up. So you would take 160, subtract the 150.8 divided by 8.8 divided by square root of 5.
Wait, why 160?
Because that's
Because
the
that
mean of
is
those 5.
Because that's what now?
The mean of those 5 numbers.
Okay. I was just calculating that actually. I was like, okay, so we take the first number. So the mean, you take the mean, subtract, wait. So you take 160 divide by
No,
square root?
no. 160 minus the 150.8. And then divide that by the standard of 8.8 divided by square root of 5.
Are you guys still getting that echo?
Yep.
I'll mute mine maybe.
Is it still?
That,
I think that fixed it.
I think it did, yeah. Who
Oh man.
was it? Dallas that muted?
Yes.
I'll get headphones and see.
That's funny.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is the echo gone?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
I think my little brother's music might have done it.
Did you guys get 0.468?
Hold on, I haven't quite finished yet. So we're taking 160 minus 150.8 over 8.8 over the square root of 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got 2.338.
For the z-score?
Yeah, and I did it twice and got the same answer.
Okay, let me try really quick.
Okay, I don't know why I am not... It's weird though, because I do this same, I've done this like with the preparation and the homework, and my answers always match up with the answer key. It's so weird.
Are you taking
square
the
root of-
standard dev of 8.8 and then dividing that by the square root of
Yeah,
5?
so let me walk through what I do on my calculator out loud.
For the standard deviation,
Okay.
did you just use your SPSS or?
No, it says it in number.
No, I just use it.
It says it in 9?
The 8.8 above number 7, yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's where I was like so confused on this one the whole time. I'm like, okay, I am
How
so
are
lost.
they getting that?
I know. The first time when I went through this, I calculated the standard deviation of that sample and was trying to use that. And that
Okay, so this makes so much more sense now that I'm like, because it says 7 through 10. All right.
Yes, yeah.
I was like, kind of getting lost there for a second. I was like, where are they? I'm like, where are they getting all this?
Okay, let me just say out loud what I do on my calculator, okay? And you guys can tell me if I do what I'm doing wrong. So 160 minus 150.8, and then I do equals. And then divide that by 8.8, and then I do equals.
You have to do.
Yeah,
So you have to do.
you need parentheses in there.
8.8 divided by the square root of 5 before you can divide that number. So you can't take
Because-
9.2 divide by 8.8 because then it's just going to throw your whole numbers off. Does that make sense?
Because what you're doing is you're subtracting, and then you're taking that answer and dividing by 8.8, and then you're taking that answer and dividing by square root of 5.
Okay, so just put parentheses
So you
over
need
it all
a-
instead of.
So what you need to do is you need to take parentheses between your 160 and 150.8, divide that by parentheses 8.8 divided by square root of 5.
Okay. And then.
Okay, my answer is wrong though. I did it. I need to go back through.
So what did you guys get?
2.338.
So you get 9.2, right?
Yep.
And then you divide that. What did you guys get between 8.8 and the square root of 5?
I got like
3.
3.935. Is that what you got?
That's what I got.
Okay.
You got what? Okay, I wrote that totally wrong. 3.95. Where did I get 6.57?
Okay, so first you do 160 minus 150.8, and then you do equals.
I don't know your calculator is the
To get
problem.
9.2.
Like
Well,
I know
I'm
if If you were to do this in Excel, you would want the 160 and the 150.8 in parentheses. That way that operation gets done. And then you would want the 8.8 divided by square root of 5. That way that operation gets done. And in between it, you would put a division symbol. And then it takes those two solutions and divides them. If that
So I got
makes sense.
2.329. I'm sure that for the 8.8 divided by like the 2.23, I put 3.95. That's wrong.
Okay, I finally got it. So 2.338.
Yeah.
Okay.
What did y'all use to divide the 9.2 by? Because it's like 3.946188834.
I plugged in the whole thing. I just
Are
went
you using your phone,
3.9.
Alice?
What's that?
Are you just using your phone?
Yeah.
That's all I'm doing too. So I just I calculated 160 minus 150.8 and I did equals. And then I put parentheses after that.
Mm-hmm.
150.8. So yeah, so then put parentheses so that, well, use that number 9.2 and then divided by, and then do parentheses 8.8 divided by square root of 5 and then put a parenthesis around that. And then you'll get the 2.33 or 2.338, yeah.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay, so for 10, you just pretty much plug in the z-score, right, and then you get 0.0097.
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
Getting hacked.
That's weird, Courtney. I just barely got your text that said, let me know when the invite's sent out.
Yeah,
Just got it too.
Hey, me too.
Oh my gosh.
That's funny.
Sorry,
Alright.
just to make sure, on 9 you got 2.338.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I got the same answer as Dallas on 10.
Okay, cool.
So you plug it into the applet. Let's see.
Are any of you like really good with like the skewed? I'm kind of lost on those ones.
I can identify them, but like I have to visually see it. I can't tell by a formula. I don't know how to do it that way.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
Funky.
What
Maybe
did
I
you
just
get
like
for the area again? Sorry, for number 10.
0.0097.
Okay, that's what I
So,
meant to do.
so what do we do? 0.0...
So you plug in the z-score, so it's
Sorry,
negative.
no, I mean for rounding. I got that too, but
Oh, for rounding. I think it's saying to the fourth decimal.
oh, it is. Okay,
Yeah, I mean if it wasn't, then it'd be like 0.00.
yeah, 1 or something. Or, yeah,
Yeah.
0.0097. Okay, so on number 11, I just got left skewed. But for some reason, like on all of the examples that we've had, if it says it, like whatever it says in the explanation of it or the problem, like if it says it's a normal distribution, then the answer's normal. I don't know. It's
Well,
just,
from what I understand, and you guys can correct me if you think I'm wrong, but it has to do with the sample size, right? So even if the normal, chart is skewed, if the sample size is larger than 30, then it's going to be normal. Does that make any sense?
yeah.
Because that's
So-
what it seemed like on all the problems. If it was
Yeah.
higher than 30, it was always normal. And if it was like exactly 30, it was still normal.
Still normal, yeah, because it's anything equal to or greater than 30.
Yeah, and that's kind of how last homework went.
Yeah.
Garrett,
Okay, so-
are you outside?
No.
That's
they
exactly
converted.
what...
Yeah, this is my backyard.
I was like, dude, I see a tree. What am I doing?
No, I live in Central Park, and like they changed a Best Western into like apartments. So behind me is like the indoor-outdoor pool
Just a
because I
big,
can't
huge
get
window.
internet anywhere else. No, like I'm out by the pool because there's like
Oh,
no
you
internet
are
by the apartment.
Oh, so
You're cool, right?
There's like a pool like right behind me.
yeah, they like remodeled that whole thing, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So
Yeah, I was like, dude, I see a
Sick.
tree.
I know.
Oh, did you know it's freezing out there?
Oh man.
That's
Dude, are
funny.
you homeless? You can come stay at my house.
yeah, I'm behind the McDonald's, mooching off their
Did the
Wi-Fi
library
right
kick you out?
Oh, that's funny.
All right.
Okay.
So yeah, the Skewed, I don't think I read up on it very well. I'm like, I don't like this, so I didn't really do it.
To be honest, I skimmed
It's
the
not
reading
bad.
and then watched the videos.
I don't even watch the videos.
What?
Dang it,
The
I
videos are the
forgot.
best.
The videos are really good.
They help me the most. The reading,
I do review the video, a little bit, but I'll do it more. Because
Yeah,
it
I like
probably
the videos.
explains the Skewed a lot better than the reading.
The Brother Cromar videos are the best. Yeah, his videos
Yeah.
are informative. But
Okay.
let's see.
So what do we do with 11 then? What is the shape of the sampling?
So is it approximately normal since the sample size is 81?
That's what I am gonna say.
Well, Courtney, good thing you're submitting first. I'm just kidding.
Thanks. I appreciate your faith in me, you guys.
We'll all take turns.
Yeah.
It'll equal it out, you know. It'll equal your grade out.
unless this is like the hardest one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna suck it up. I'm just kidding.
It'll equal out.
Okay.
So now, what is the mean distribution? I do not know how to do 12.
So it
Yeah,
says,
these
what if-
last four I'm super confused on.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the mean of distribution?
So it's asking what the mean of the means is.
Okay, so I was just looking at this example in the reading.
I should probably.
Well, no. Let's see.
I'm pretty sure.
This-
Okay.
This isn't where you take the standard deviation and then like divide it by the square root, is it? Of 81. Is that what this is?
I'm not sure, but what it's looking like to me is it's what's the mean of the means, which is the mean of the parent population, right?
So then,
Is that from the reading?
yeah.
And so the mean would probably just be 3.5.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So what do you do on 12 then?
Because in the reading it says that the mean of the sample mean or something is equal to the mean of the parent population.
Uh-huh.
I don't know, someone wants to pull that up.
No, yeah, you're right. I can pull it up here. I have the reading open.
Okay. So what do you do? How'd you get 3.5?
Because that's just the mean of the...
The problem's above number 11. It gives all the information there. That's where I'm getting my information from.
Oh, again, I'm.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
fine print. You're right. And then for number 13, then we do the, let's see, the standard deviation divided by the
Yeah.
81 square root.
Yeah, that's what Garrett was talking about.
Oh, okay.
Right, Garrett?
Yeah, but I thought
formula.
that was for 12, but I think you're correct.
So
You-
for 13, you
I could
take
be wrong.
0.7 divided by the square root of 81.
Yeah, so the, what is it, 0.7, yeah, 0.7 divided by square root of 81, yeah.
which is 9. So you get 0.0777.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So 0.078.
Yep.
Okay.
And then do we use the template for this one, right?
Yeah. The probability that the mean will be less than
3.3. So do we need to do calculations, or is there some, or do we just enter the 0.078? No, that's not a z-score.
Don't you enter the? Oh.
the probability is equal to the area on the applet. I think those are.
So if we enter 3.3 on the top, is that what you're saying? Or wait, what?
No, we need a z-score before we can type it into the applet, right?
Well, that would find the z-score if we know the area. Is that what you're saying?
Because the probability, we're looking for the probability. That's what it's asking for.
Okay.
In order to find the probability, we need to find the area, or find the z-score.
The z-score to find the area.
3.3 isn't the z-score, though.
No, it's not. So that's what I'm trying to figure out how we can find. Because I guess we have the standard deviation and the mean.
Yeah. So would you just do 81 minus 3.5 divided by? Let's see.
I think we would take 3.5 minus 3.3 over
The standard deviation.
the standard deviation.
It would have to be 3.3 minus 3.5, not 3.5 minus 3.3. Right?
Yeah. I don't think it really matters, because either way, well, I guess it does.
You need to divide the standard deviation by square root of 81.
I think
no?
so.
I think so, yeah, because we're finding it from the sample of 81.
So 3.3 minus 3.5. 0.0.
Over
0.0222. Do you guys get 0.0 infinite 2?
Sorry, what are you plugging in? So it's 3.3 minus 3.5 over, what's the number that goes over the
standard deviation, 0.7.
0.7.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm just trying to figure out where that is.
I got negative 2.571.
And then do you plug that into the applet?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I always forget to do that part.
And then you take the middle part, right? Or the middle and to the left. Or middle and to the one on the right. Because it's negative, right?
Yes.
Or is
yes,
it asking
you're right.
greater? Or what would be? Yeah, so it's everything to the right.
Yep.
So it's
0.995.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty basic.
So now just the whole thing is highlighted now?
For 15?
Uh-huh.
Probability greater than 2.3.
Or no, that wouldn't make sense. Seems weird.
I don't know. Let me look. What's the probability
Sorry, guys. I'm way behind in my calculations. What did you guys get for the z-score
For 13
for 14?
or for 14?
Yeah.
Oh well.
It's point. You take negative. So point -2 divided by 0.77777.
Yeah.
So you get negative 2.57.
Okay.
Is what I put in.
Okay. Good. That's what I got as well.
And then you
take-
highlight everything to the right of it.
Okay. So I'm trying to do all these stupid
You're
calculations on my phone, and it's taking me forever.
Do you have like a scientific calculator, Garrett?
No, I have like the old school looking calculator. So I solve it, write it down, solve it, write it down, and then combine it all.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I'm just slow.
I am slow too.
Okay.
A
So
lot
and
of times it's like the
right.
stuff's not super hard. It's just kind of confusing when you read it. If you're like, because
It
if you
is.
look at it, 14 and 15 look like the same freaking problem.
I know.
Which
I
I
don't.
think that they might be.
But-
Wait, on 14, wouldn't you go less? So wouldn't it be just the left side, and
That's
then
what I
it'd be
was thinking.
greater than
Yeah.
that?
So you're saying it's only going to be 0.1?
005.
Yeah.
No, because it's wanting to know if what's that ask? It says there's a probability that the mean GPA randomly selected students will be less than.
That's for 14.
Oh, which one are you asking about?
15. I think it's just to the left of it.
Okay, that's what I was guessing. That's okay. I thought you were talking about. That sounds like a good. That sounds
Wait,
like a good answer.
Wait a minute. Hold on. So for 14, it's asking what is less than 3.3, right? So wouldn't we highlight everything to the left of it because it's less than?
It's a negative
That's what I
z-score.
So 0.0051.
Yeah, for 14, right?
No, for 14 is 0.995.
But everything
Are you
lower than that z-score, that red line would be to the left of it, right? Or am I?
Well, but the z-score is negative, so does that make a difference?
So you go from the negative, and that's representing your 3.3, right? Type of a deal. So you go less than that.
Oh yeah. So it is. It's
So then
0.005.
Okay, so we just have 14 and 15 mixed up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
And so 15 is 0.995.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Did we answer all of them?
No, not those 5 and 6.
We still have those. Yeah.
Oh yes, stupid thing. Okay.
Oh, I need a nap.
Two.
Let me pull out my notes here.
I don't do good with the problem ones on these ones with the words.
You what?
I don't do good with these problems.
Oh, I know. They mix me up like.
The number ones you can figure out, so it's like, oh, I got it, yeah. These ones, I don't know. I'm just gonna guess. Their fault for getting multiple choice. I have a 33% chance of answering number 5 right, so it's all right.
Hey, you guys aren't going to be the one getting it wrong.
I'm willing to take a sacrifice today. Let you submit it first, Courtney. I will let you do that.
Oh, I appreciate. You're so kind.
You're
so
welcome.
generous.
I almost choked. I took the first 2 hits.
That's true. The second time you'd already submitted it anyway, so.
I think I
And
submitted
the first time I submitted it too, so.
Just email your teacher and be like, hey, I accidentally clicked the wrong one when we did our assignment. I got it right.
Yeah, he's totally gonna.
Because our whole group got it. Yeah.
And like after like I came home after like my second class,
Are all of you married?
Yeah.
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 Oh no, I'm the lonely one, huh?
That means we get to set you up with people. We're
No,
the
please,
matchmakers.
please no. I'm gonna be single forever. I eat Triscuit crackers for dinner.
How old are you guys?
I'm 21.
21.
I'm 25.
I'm 25 as well. How old are you, Megan?
I am 26.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're
Oldies,
just a
all
little
of you.
baby.
I know. I just did things backwards. Got married at 19, had kids. Now I'm going to school.
It works. Any luck with 5 and 6? I honestly haven't looked, but let me look.
Yeah, I'm.
So when it says X, that's average, right?
The
On 5?
because it says X and then the next one has a line over the X, which would mean
Yes.
the mean sample, right?
So what's the difference between the two, real quick?
I think that. Yeah, I think X with a line over it is just sample means. And then. I don't know, actually. But for number 6, I think it's the central limit theorem, or whatever, however you say that. Because it says the central limit theorem describes what happens to the shape of the distribution of the sample means when the sample size is large. Oh, wait, no, that wouldn't be it then.
Yeah, that doesn't have anything to do with the standard deviation.
Oh, sorry, I was looking at number 6.
Oh, yeah.
Because I can figure out 5. Like, I understand what it's asking, but I don't know what X is, so I can't, like, relate it to 5.
I think that X is just the mean, right?
Actually, let me look it up. I wrote all the things down in some notes here when I was reading. So X.
The mean of the random variable X. That doesn't make sense.
Okay, so yeah, X with a line over is the sample mean, and there is nothing with X.
Just an X?
Yeah.
Find X. Circle it. I don't see anything with X either.
Because, like, what it's asking is, which will have a smaller standard dev. So, like, if you look at your applet as an example, it's asking what will be closest to 0. The standard deviation moves away from 0. So it's asking what will make that as close to 0 as possible.
So
One sample.
Out of 9
So
randomly drawn samples.
I feel like it can't be determined. Is that right or no?
Maybe we have the answer because we can't find it.
Because, like, if you look at your applet, it's if you pick 9 spots out of that, like, how close is it going to be to 0? What's going to make those random 9 picks closer to 0? And if you're changing X, it could have an influence on that, depending on what X is. I think you would have to change Z-score, though, so...
That's why I think it can't be. I don't know. I don't think it can be determined.
I'm comfortable with guessing that one.
That's
Yeah. We'll try it.
Courtney, are you comfortable?
Yeah, I can't find it either, so I'm really trying.
And then, so what do we think this number 6 is then?
A.
You guys.
Really?
I don't know. Which
So,
one is it?
No one thinks it's the 68, 95, 99, right? No one thinks
Right.
it's that, right? Okay.
Right.
Okay, so we can all cancel that one out.
I think it's the law of large numbers. But so
implies that the spread of x decreases as sample size.
I can't find anything on like increasing or decreasing in this reading.
I think it's in the reading previous.
Why the
Because I
fuck
like
did you ask-
controlled F searched like chapters
Yeah,
5, 6, and 7, and I can't even get close to this.
me too.
Well,
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too.
I have
That's how I
the
get all my
homework.
answers.
I have the homework assignment, and it's describing what law of large numbers is for lesson 6, and it says the law of large numbers describes what happens to the spread of the distribution of sample means when the sample size is large.
But does the sample size increasing make it large?
What was that?
But does the sample size increasing make it large?
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, I think so. You know, I have to go grab my charger for my computer. I'll be right back. Keep discussing.
Okay.
Where is this coming from?
What?
Where's Child's Prayer coming from?
Oh, sorry. My daughter likes listening to primary songs, and she.
I thought it was Garrett.
Out here chilling by the pool with the church music.
With a little.
I thought that would help us with our. Okay, you need to.
No, she's fine. I like that song too. I sing it at night sometimes, actually.
I'm the
Hey, I'm
primary.
a bachelor. I can do that sort of stuff.
You can, yeah. I'm the primary chorister for our ward, so she gets a lot of music time in our house.
That's awesome.
Okay, did we decide anything? I was gone. Or did we just talk
I mean,
primary
you're
songs?
just gonna have to take the hit.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Okay. I don't know.
Do we just want to keep guessing in order until we get it right as well?
It'll tell her. It'll tell us which one's
Yeah,
right.
it'll tell
Oh,
me
it
what's
tells her the right answer too?
Yeah. Can we go through them and make sure I have all the right numbers? Because sometimes I might get.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
So 3 is 0.175.
Uh-huh.
4 is 0.973.
Uh-huh.
7 1.045.
Uh-huh.
1.045.
1.045, yeah.
Yep.
8 is 0.148.
Mm-hmm.
9, 2.338.
Mm-hmm.
10, 0.0097.
Mm-hmm.
11 is normal. Let's see. 12, 3.5.
Yep.
13.078.
Mm-hmm.
14.005. And 15.995.
Yep.
All right. We'll see how we do.
So are you doing law of large numbers, or what did you decide?
I did law of large numbers.
Okay.
Okay. We got number 4 wrong.
Dang it.
Really?
Yeah. Number 5 we got wrong. That is the distribution sample mean.
Oh, man.
Which one is it?
It's distribution of sample mean. Six is the law of large numbers. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
50%.
Well, you missed 2. 4 and 5.
Oh. Sorry. Something's playing on my computer. Okay. Okay, sorry. The rest of them we got right.
Okay.
4 and
So
5 is wrong.
So it's 4 is wrong?
4 is wrong, yep. And it doesn't tell me what's right. I got it wrong.
Okay.
I'm just gonna submit it too. I don't have time.
I'm ready to eat too, so
We're just gonna have to eat that one.
Okay.
I'm okay with that.
Thanks, Courtney.
You're welcome. I still got an 88. That's pretty good. I'll take
I would
it.
take an 88.
Yeah. Okay, see you guys next
All
week
right.
then.
See
Yeah.
ya.
See ya.
Okay.